a Toronto-based neurosurgeon, brain tumors and a North Ontario psychologist focusing on indigenous mental health care, is one of the winners of prestigious Canadian Gairdner Awards. Global honors recognizing some of most important biomedical and health research in the world.Gelareh Zadeh and Dr.He called Christopher Musquash at opening of Canadian Gairdner Momentum Award. The spokesman for Gairdner Foundation award was introduced to address a gap in award view for mid-career scientists this year. Zadeh and Musquash earned $50,000 each. Musquash, a professor psychology at the University of Lakead and a psychologist in Diloco Anishinabek family care, was praised for research's mental health and substance use, which led to culturally appropriate mental health services for the First Nations communities. Musquash, who was reached by telephone at Thunder Bay, described award as a tremendous honor and thanked Gairdner Foundation for chance to offer domestic mental health problems to attention of a wider audience. When you think of people as the sum of their physical and mental selves in a wider, more holistic way, starts open too much potential think about how support people somehow.Mushquash. This is not only important for indigenous people. Zadeh, a senior scientist Princess Margaret Cancer Centre University Toronto Head Department Neurosurgy University Toronto, Head Neurosurgical Toronto Western Hospital and Princess Margaret Cancer Centre, was recognized in molecular genomic understanding brain tumors. 5 innovatives in the fields of artificial intelligence and microbiology have achieved the annual international award, which gives $100,000 to each winner for effective contribution to biomedical science. 2 of the winners come from London-based Deepmind, which can predict the 3D shape of protein structures and develop a AI system for tremendous potential to accelerate biological and medical research. The Foundation, CEO-founder Demis Hassabis senior research scientist John Jumper developed by Alphafold in 190 countries were accessed by 1 million researchers users. Almost every protein known to science was used to predict, he said. The other 3 winners are Bonnie L. Bassler Princeton, R. Silverman, an emeritus researcher at the University of Washington. He says that the collective discoveries about how award references communicate with bacteria reveal an entire space in microbiology that can lead to new ways to encourage health and prevent the disease. They revised our way of thinking about bacteria in our independent and cooperation. They completely broke the paradigm which bacteria acts independently of each other. Jean Dirk's Canada Gairdner Global Health Award, Clinical Activity Institute and Health Policy went to José Belizán from Argentina for work that improves the lives of pregnant people and their children. The excerpt developed low-cost global interventions during pregnancy that reduced illness and during pregnancy and encouraged equality in vulnerable populations. The Gairdner Awards are nicknamed Bebek Nobels because the organizers say 96 Gairdner winners are going to receive Nobel Prizes. On Thursday morning, a virtual event was arranged to celebrate the winners. Laureate will officially receive his medals at a gala in Toronto on October 26. Cassandra Szklarski, Canada Press.